Here is a former German pillbox which is now someone's house. Good morning, it is 4:42 AM. Seems weird, sort of one of these really early vlogs, and it actually been daylight. The sun's been up for about 20 minutes already, although it's overcast, and we're going to France. I know I shouldn't be, but I want to get an earlier ferry. Thank you. Cheers, thank you. So I made it to Dover in 1 hour 45 minutes, which is what it said it would be. The good news is I'm going to get on an earlier boat. The bad news is I'm very, very tired. AM. I don't think I've ever had champagne this early in the morning, but cheers.
Oh, okay, yeah, thank you.
One of the things that I really didn't know about was what had gone on at Calais and Boulogne in May 1940. We often hear about Dunkirk and the miracle of Dunkirk, and in the film The Darkest Hour they actually touch on what happened in this area here around Boulogne and Calais, which basically the garrisons there sacrificed themselves so that the soldiers at Dunkirk could get away. And one of them in here, I'm going to try and find now, is a guy called Wesley Eaton, who was related to my wife, Katy. He was from Belfast, which meant he volunteered. He wasn't called up. He was an anti-aircraft gunner responsible for this area. And here we are, Gunner Wesley Eaton. The Second World War burials are like most normal Commonwealth war graves. It's the flat ones are for the First World War. And I've just seen some Portuguese, which I never realised the contribution that Portugal had to the First World War there. But Wesley Eaton in the Royal Artillery, we knew he was a gunner, anti-aircraft, died sometime between the 23rd and the 25th of May 1940, aged just 21. And the inscription says, "In loving memory of our dear son, till we meet again." In one sense it's remarkable how few Second World War graves are here, given how much they held out. The Royal Navy sent in some very small ships towards the end of May, managed to rescue about 500 men from the port as the British withdrew. But now we're going to go head to Normandy for the main reason why I've come over, what was happening 75 years ago today. So I'm here and I need to do the first shoot for the very special film. It does look extremely windy. Whether I'll get the drone up or not today, I've got to try. That's the statue to Piper Bill Millin, who famously played his bagpipes as the the landing craft came in, sorry, on the 6th of June. They recreated it for the 75th anniversary. I hope you realise the lengths I go to for my art. All the lovely French girls are in their bikinis. I'm wearing black shirts because I need continuity for that other film. Anyway, I want to show you something which is really, really weird. Here is a former German pillbox which is now someone's house. Anyway, my hotel's not too far away. I'm not going there now. I'm going to get some petrol and I'm going to head to the next filming location while I'm still in this lovely black shirt, so that we get some continuity and I can finish the next 2 scenes of Grandpa's video, and then I can do a little bit more sightseeing that I want to do, like Omaha Beach, Bayou Cemetery, all that kind of thing, because I've now got, well, the sun doesn't set till 10, but I reckon I'm going to crash before then, so 3 or 4 hours. First off, I've got to find a petrol station. This is Omaha Beach, and I've got a lot of followers, subscribers in the States. This is hallowed ground for everyone, but especially for those people from the US. And today's been quite a nice day. The weather's just taken a little turn now. Look at the churn out there in the English Channel. So I'm here at Arromanches, which is where I'm going to finish today's vlog. You can see some of the old Mulberry harbours, which are over there and over there, a bit further out to sea. The weather's turned in a little bit, which means I'm not going to get the shots that I wanted to get later on, and my body is saying I am very, 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 very tired. So tomorrow I'm going to be at Selma. Hope you can hear this. Make sure you check out and you're subscribing for tomorrow's vlog. See you soon. Bye bye.